everyone, this is Teacher Marian. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget mine.
Hello students! In our subject Mathematics of Investment, our topic for today is all about simple discount. When we say simple discount, if interest is calculated on the principal at the start of the interest period, discount is calculated on the amount at the end of the period. Discount here is a deduction from the maturity amount of an obligation allowed for paying it currently. Hence, the formula is discount is equal to amount of maturity times discount rate times the time or the term of discount. To find the principal amount, we have to use P is equal to F minus D, or principal amount is equal to amount of maturity minus the discount, or we have P is equal to F times the quantity 1 minus DT, or principal amount is equal to amount of maturity times the quantity 1 minus the product of discount rate and the time or term of discount. If we are to solve for the discount rate, the formula is equal to discount over the product of amount of maturity and the time. If we are to find for the time, the formula is equal to the discount over the amount of maturity times the discount rate. And if we are to find for the amount of maturity, the formula is equal to discount over the discount rate times the time or term of discount. We have here an example. Find the present value of 2,000 pesos, which is due at the end of 90 days at 5% simple discount. So first and foremost is to get the given from the given problem. So we have there 2,000, 90 days, and 5%. 2,000 here is the amount of maturity, or the F. 90 days is our time, but not yet. We have to convert this day into a year. So we have here 90 over 360, and that is 1/4. Then 5% or 0.05, which is our discount rate. So the solution, formula D, or discount times amount of maturity times the discount rate times time. So by substitution, we have 2,000 pesos times 0.05 and times 1/4. So we have discount is equal to 25 or 25 pesos. So we have to find the principal amount or the present value. So P is equal to F minus T. So since T is already given, or we already solved T, so we have to use that formula P is equal to F minus T. Suppose we don't know what is the discount yet, then we will use the alternative solution with a formula P is equal to F times 1 minus DT. So let's continue. By substitution, we have 2,000 pesos minus the discount of 25 pesos. So the present value is 1,975 pesos. So how about if we use the alternative solution? So by substitution, you will have 2,000 times the quantity 1 minus 0.05 times 1/4. Similarly, we get 1,975 pesos. We have here another example. Find the amount due at the end of 9 months, whose present value is 3,000 pesos at 6% simple discount. So again, let's get the given. 9 months, which is not yet the time. We have to convert months into years. So in 1 year, there are 12 months. So it should be 9 over 12. And that is 3/4 or 0.75. Another given is 3,000, which is the present value or the principal. And 6%, which is our discount rate. So, since the amount that was asked is the amount of maturity, our formula here is F minus the principal amount over 1 minus D times T, or discount rate times time. So by substitution, we have 3,000 over 1 minus the product of 0.06 and 3/4 or 0.75. So we have 3,141.36 pesos, which is the amount of maturity. Next example. How long will 3,000 pesos accumulate at 3,050 pesos if the discount rate is 4.5%? So, first and foremost again, we have to get the given. We have here 3,000 pesos, and that is the present value or the principal amount. Then we have 3,050 pesos. Since the amount is bigger than the present value, then it is the amount of maturity. So, F is equal to 3,050 pesos, and then 4.5% is the discount rate. So we have to move to decimal place, so that is 0.045. So now let's solve for that time. Since it's asking for how long, so that is the time. So the formula is T is equal to the discount over the maturity amount and the discount rate. So we have discount is equal to amount of maturity minus the principal amount. So we have 3,050 pesos minus 3,000 over 3,050 pesos times the discount of 0.045. Then we have 50 pesos over 137.25 pesos. Thus, the answer is 0.36 years. Fourth example, with a loan of 3,500 pesos will be paid with 3,750 at the end of 1 year and 3 months. What is the simple discount rate? So, students, I want you to analyze the given, what is asked, and the solution of this example and my example 5, which is my last presentation. Hopefully, you will pause and try to answer these two examples.